Hello viewers, a very good evening and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. According to the reports, Mnangagwa and Chivhayo, they have clashed several times now over the issue of Chivhayo relations with Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. And we need to take a look onto this exclusive story which is right here so as to understand what is really happening and what is really transpiring. Remember, my Mnangagwa, the issue is about survival, even mwana wavo, and they don't want anything chinoita kuti survival yavo ive pakamanikana. So the report says First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa is said to have ordered controversial businessman Chivhayo to be shut out of statehouse after a recording of him or allegedly boasting that President Emmerson Mnangagwa is in his pockets. So Chivhayo, who is facing a Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission investigation after a public fallout with his business partners Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu, revealed that he could have benefited from the alleged corrupt Zimbabwe Electoral Commission tender worth 40 million. In the recording, he could be heard saying he can land any lucrative government tender because of his proximity to Mnangagwa and other top officials. This has landed Chivhayo in trouble with mass investigations happening, and the issue is they do not know who is behind the audios which are leaking and the other information which is leaking. And this is something very important. So officials close to the First Lady said she reacted angrily to Chivhayo, and revelations that the two exchanged harsh words. And remember, Chivhayo is an arrogant man, and as usual, he was arrogant to Mama. And this is something very important to note. Why is it that he was so arrogant to Mama? What was the game being planned there? It's something very important. But what is now happening is that then Mama then used her power to shut out Chivhayo, and he has started sending emissaries to the First Lady asking for forgiveness because she was clear about him not going back. So pana madzibaba varikunzi vakatumwa Chivhayo. Madzibaba Tirage is the one who is running around to try and negotiate in between Chivhayo and Mai Mnangagwa. Remember, Mai Mnangagwa is in charge. President Mnangagwa will not say bufu kana mai vataura. That is a fact. So we will see what is going to happen if Chivhayo is going to survive this. But one way or the other, if he survives Emmerson Mnangagwa's ex, he's not going to survive the other issues which are coming after him, because he has been running a corrupt activity for a very, very, very long time. And many people believe that it's a high time that he pays back. So this is what we all want. When we see them fighting, then it knows what and that is what we want, because this is the only thing which makes them separate. As long as they are separated, then we know that our agenda is up high and is moving. So they want to quash protests by all means possible. They do not want the protest to happen. They do not want the protest to go forward. And they will do anything in their power to stop it. So this is what is happening at this point in time. And I love you all. Thank you very much for coming. The report is that Mnangagwa and Chivhayo, they fall out and varikurwisana. Chivhayo achiti no, I'm going to survive. It is what it is. We'll continue to watch and see what is going to happen next.